Hi, I'm Philip and welcome to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share a personal project I've dedicated several months to, a predictive market trading app using Polymarket's API. After being let go from my job last year, I decided to transition from digital advertising into starting my own software development business. I've always wanted to build something meaningful, but often felt overwhelmed by complexities of coding environments, deployment setups, managing the right libraries, and sorting through endless syntax and logic errors. Thankfully, as many of you know, AI has significantly changed coding for me. I've been using AI tools, specifically ChatGPT's o1 and o3 and Claude Sonnet's 3.7 models, which became invaluable resources guiding me through many of these hurdles. The thing about AI is that it doesn't care how many questions I ask, phrased in 100 different ways with dozens of examples, it still has the ability to provide full and comprehensive answers in a way not even a private tutor could. Working with LLMs allows you to learn as much as you want at your own speed. Accessing LLMs for coding knowledge has transformed my ability to understand and write code beyond what I could ever learn in rigid tutorials, coding books, or practice examples. It lowers the barrier between me and the code and ultimately building things. After completing several small projects, I decided I wanted to build something fully functional and production ready. Initially, I aimed to enhance my portfolio for my new company, Bluebear AI, but soon found myself completely immersed in creating this platform. As I mentioned, I built a predictive market application. Predictive markets interest me because they represent a new type of financial instrument built on decentralization and transparency. They merge real-world events with trading mechanics, creating endless opportunities for innovation. I believe this industry is still in its infancy and has immense growth opportunity. Utilizing Polymarket's robust API, I began examining the functionalities of existing trading platforms and thought, I can do that too. I started integrating these APIs into a comprehensive product demo. So where am I currently in the development process? I describe this as the alpha stage. The app is fully functional regarding real-time data feeds, market listings, and search capabilities, including wallet connections and profile management. You can browse live markets, view detailed market analytics, connect your wallet, but fully trading functionalities like placing and canceling orders are still under development. Some back-end endpoints are complete, but trade flows and automatic market-making tools are currently being built out and tested. I'm polishing up the UI, improving API error handling, and planning to launch an interactive user dashboard soon. It's not entirely public ready yet, but it's getting close, and I'm really excited to continue sharing progress updates. The backend leverages FastAPI for rapid API responses and robust security measures. I'm using Celery and Redis to handle automatic price updates and real-time caching, while TimescaleDB, my database, efficiently manages large amounts of time series data. On the front end, I've selected Next.js for a smooth and responsive user interface. Docker and Docker Compose streamline my development process, simplifying scalability and managing different environments like staging, dev, and production. Throughout this journey, I encountered significant challenges, many which persist as I move toward production. Real-time data synchronization is particularly demanding, requiring careful optimization to prevent latency under high load. Implementing smart contract interactions using Solidity also presented difficulties, requiring extensive testing and refinement. Overcoming these hurdles greatly enhanced my expertise in web technologies and blockchain integration. Let's explore the core features I developed. The app provides real-time market data and predictive analytics with detailed order books and market depth visualizations that aid informed trading decisions. User profiles also include secure wallet integrations, simplifying trade management and asset handling. Looking forward, I plan to enhance the platform with advanced analytics tools, cross-chain capabilities, and improved mobile compatibility. These additions will hopefully enrich user interactions and strengthening the platform's stability as well as the user experience. Developing this project is incredibly rewarding, reinforcing my passion for learning and building things. What began as a simple addition to my portfolio has evolved into a sophisticated predictive market platform, solidifying my capabilities as a full-stack developer. If you made it this far, thank you for listening to me about my personal and professional journey. If you've enjoyed seeing my development process and want to follow future builds, Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next project.